뉴스를 듣다 보면 단풍이 늦게 드는 이유가 기후변화 영향이 크다고 합니다. 단풍은 하루 최저기온이 5도 이하로 떨어지기 시작할 때 들기 시작한다 합니다. 가을 기온에 따라 단풍드는 시기가 결정되는데 최근에는 평년보다 가을 기온이 오르면서 단풍이 늦어진다고 합니다. 뱀사골 단풍은 보통 피아골 단풍보다 일주일 정도 빠르게 내려오고 숲을온통 불지르는 듯한 강렬한 색감을 보유하고 있는 것이 특징이랍니다. 붉은색뿐 아니라 노란색 잎도 많아 전형적인 삼색 단풍의 묘미를 느낄 수 있습니다. 저는 뱀사골계곡의 단풍 감상을 위해 요룡대까지 오른 뒤 와운마을도 방문했습니다. 해발 800m에 위치한 와운마을에는 천연기념물 제414호인 천년송이 있어 탐방객들의 발길을 붙잡습니다. 뱀사골계곡의 단풍은 와운마을 오른쪽으로 오르면 단풍이 본격적으로 시작되는데 제가 이제껏 단풍명소 중 여행지 중 최고의 인생 단풍명소가 아닐까 생각합니다. 자, 그럼 24년 가을 단풍으로 가장 기대되는 뱀사골계곡의 단풍과 함께 가을의 정취를 저와 함께 느껴보시겠습니까?
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine, gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric ride. You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest times. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Maybe this is the season of love.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright.